how to find a $10 million idea. Before we start, I want to ask you a really simple question. Do you have resources to start your own business or to make like a 10 or 100 millions? Let's be honest. If you are not a citizen of the United States and you never been born and raised in the States, or you don't have a possibility to come to San Francisco and raise funds, I'm sorry, let's be honest, you do not have enough resources to start this kind of business. Sometimes. So be honest with you. Can you get investments or not? This is very important question. And before we start talking about finding 10 or $100 million ideas, make sure that you know the answer. Do you have the resources to raise funds or not? Because if not, then comes the next question. So, do you want to make money or do you want to start an IT business? Because it's also two different worlds. Because if we're talking about SaaS, startups, AI agents, and all these kind of things, yeah, it's very important, it's very interesting, but let's be honest, people are still making money in agriculture. People are still making money with defense tech. People are still making money with plastic and many other things. So make sure that you want to make money and not just a fancy startup with unicorns and all this BS. Okay? Next thing, one of the examples, it's Ukrainian defense tech. What you have to learn before you even start searching an idea, you have to find a lake full of money. Because if you want to start a SaaS in 2026, I'm sorry, maybe it's a mental issue. But if you want to make money, just go to the place where money and the market need your resources. For example, I'm living in Ukraine right now, and we have a huge boost and spike of defense tech technologies because the government is investing money into defense tech, and each new startup can raise funds. Each new startup can tomorrow or in 1 month have millions of dollars in their revenue. It's super easy. If you start drone manufacturing by Chinese, like some specific things, you can create a manufacturer in garage, I don't know, in 1 or 2 months. It's super easy. And in 1 month, people will start buying your drones. Of course, they have to be a good quality. Mid-strike drones, deep strike, just basic drones, even cruise and ballistic missiles. All these things being invented in Ukraine because this niche and this industry is full of money. So one thing that you have to learn before you jump into your startup, into your tech BS, just find a niche that is full of money. For instance, AI is full of money right now. Kind of, right? But let's look just behind the scenes. Who is using and who is operating with AI? Can AI replace many things? Yes. But can AI replace electrician engineer? The person who have the access to a real data centers. The persons who will set up the whole electricity. AI cannot replace them. Robots, kind of. They can replace logistics and basic operations, but in 10 years, they cannot replace electric engineers. So one of your businesses, if you want to make money, when the data centers are growing, it's to set up a company and have a bunch of electrical engineers with you. But okay, you say, Dennis, hold on a second, I don't have an access to all these things. I don't even know how to find the idea. Can you give me an advice? Because I don't see an opportunity. That's fine. And one of the best things that I can recommend you is to start chatting with people. Please do not chat with AI. Ignore AI. AI is the biggest BS right now. Just continue speaking with people. Networking. It's your biggest asset. Nobody can take it from you. Because it should not be like, hey, what you can give me, just tell me information about market. No. It doesn't work like that. Just make friends. Start chatting with people in your city. Start meeting other people. Ask other people to introduce you to some other people. This is how the business works. Because the most grateful business ideas born in this kind of conversations. They're not burning, I don't know, like I've been sitting with ChatGPT, chatting with them, and then I receive a great idea. Sweetie, this doesn't work like that. You can find only a real market and real issue only chatting with people. Yes, this is how it works. But let's say, you can say, Dennis, hold on a second. I do not have a huge network. That's also fine. Let's work on your network, because network, it's only and the best way to find an idea, to start a business, to find a client. And if you don't have a network, what should you do? Just find 1, 2, 3 new hobby. Just go and play tennis. Go and play golf. You know, like this orange president in the United States, he's playing golf. That's fine. Okay, you don't have money for a golf, go and for a motorbikes or something like that. Find a new hobby and new people. This is how it works in real life. People connecting with people. Nobody needs you to be perfect. When you have trust, when you're a friend, then you can be introduced to other people and you can grab a tons of great opportunities. Start reading books about business, about, intelligence, about how to learn things. Learn English, learn Spanish, learn other languages. This is how you improve yourself and you will become an interesting person to other people. And also, don't forget to, how I'm calling this, come down to earth and do something with your own hands. Just watch a few video tutorials how to produce an FPV drone at home. It's super easy. You can buy things in China and make it at home. Or just go to your mother, father, or whatever, and start learning about agriculturing, about potatoes, tomatoes. How does it work? Because agriculturing business, it's a really great business. It's not about IT. Yes, they're using drones. But in the source, in the core, it's not always about IT. So if you don't have any ideas, networking. If you do not know how to find, hobby plus books plus chat with people and do something with your hands. So this is easy. See you.